Today I am going to discuss with you the previous year question paper of marketing assistant postcode 562 of Hamirpur Staff Selection Commission, Himachal Pradesh. So there are 170 questions in this booklet. So pattern of exam is paper is maximum marks 85. Each question carry 0.5 marks. There is no negative marking. So let's discuss the question paper. First question is, which of following is an not element of financial management? So financial control is not the element of financial management. Financial planning, allocation of resources, financial decision making, all these are the elements of financial management, but financial control is not a element of financial management. Next question. Raising more capital than required denotes situation of. So raising more capital than required is called the excess of capital. Right option is the C, excess of capital. One can also say that overcapitalization. Next question. An annuity is, so here examiner want to ask that what is the definition of annuity. So annuity means a series of unequal but consecutive payments. Next, financial management. Financial management is part of. So right option is option C, business management. Structural management, management accounting, these are not the part of financial management, but business management is the essential part of the management of finance. Next, which factor is responsible for overcapitalization? So liberal dividend policy and high promotion expenses, both of these factors are responsible for the overcapitalization. Next, approach is similar to. So approach means Modi, Gilani and Miller approach. This approach is also known as irrelevant approach. So approach is similar to net operating income approach. Next, financial management is least concerned for. So financial management is least concerned for gross profit ratio. Next, to achieve the maximum wealth, the finance manager has to take care full decision in case of all of these is the right answer: dividend, investment and finance. If, financial manager should have to be aware about all of these options, right? He should have to be look about dividend, investment and all these decisions. Next question, repo rate refers to at which. So repo rate, repurchase rate, also known as its full form is repurchase. So right option is RBI borrow short term money from the market is the right definition of repo rate. Just a moment. Next question, which of following is not the estimate cost of capital? So which the right option is capital assets pricing model is not the estimated cost of capital, equity capital. Next question, capital budgeting is also known as. Yes, the capital budgeting has different name. So There are the different, for example, capital budgeting also known as is investment decision making, capital expenditure decision, and planning expenditure decision. These are the different names of capital budgeting. The financial analyst says working capital means the same thing as current assets minus current liabilities, the right option. Which of following method known as the time adjusted rate of return method? So time adjusted rate of return method, also known as internal rate of return method. If the price, if the interest expense for a firm rise, the firm has taken more financial leverage, right? Next question: which leverage explain the relationship between the contribution and earning before tax? So combined leverage. Combined leverage is the sum of operating leverage and financial leverage. The right option is C, combined leverage, which is the right answer. Next, operating cycle can be shortened by increase the duration of credit available. Next, need for budgeting arises due to all of these: permanent commitment, relatively high cost, and long-term effects. Trading on equity means trading on borrowing funds. Discounted cash flow criteria for investment appraisal does not include cost benefit ratio. The long-term finance is required for purpose of fixed assets. A business concern should have, yes, inadequate working capital and excess working capital. Option C is the right answer. Question 22. An ideal situation would be keep yes, operating leverage low and financial leverage high. Option C is the right answer. Hardcore working capital is also known as, also called permanent working capital. Modern concept of marketing consists of all of these: responsibilities, decision, and coordination. All of these is the right answer, D. Which of following is the statement is true about the production era? Supply creates its own demand is the right answer. The major instrument of marketing is the hands of management are product promotion and price. All of these. Marketing mix means combination of fair input is the right answer. Which of following step are not in bold in the environmental scanning? So none of these is the right answer. Micro environment consists of, yes, suppliers, marketing intermediaries, customers. All of these are comes under the micro environment. In a customer focused organization, advertising is considered to be, option B is the right answer, an investment in a brand name. Who coined the expression marketing mix? James Galton was the man who coined the word marketing mix. Cognitive dissonance means, so cognitive dissonance is defined as post-purchase psychological tension. Which of following attitudes and behavior are influenced by the culture? Yes, all of these: sense of self and space, dress and appearance, food and feeding habits. All of these factors are responsible for the behavior, individual, and culture. Consumer marketing are mostly segmented on the basis of, yes, all of all of these. Option D is the right answer. Geographical features, demographic, and psychological. psychographical, all these are considered in the consumer market segmentation. Which of following are the future purchase highly depend upon? Option D is the right answer, post purchase evaluation. Which of following listed terms best describes the sets of product that the customer have no intention of buying? Option B is the right answer, inert sets. The most consumer want small quantity of many products. Option C is the right answer. Which of following factor affect the pricing decision of? Option D, all of these is the right answer. Demand of the product, product characteristics, and cost of the product. These all are a factor. So all factor affect the uh, price decision. A strategy in which company stores goods in maximum number of retail outlet is incentive intensive distribution. Option B is the right answer. Question 41. One type of wholesaler that never handle the items physically is known as drop shopper. Option B is the right answer. Question 1. Question 42. The most important advertising medium today, at least in total advertising monetary terms, is newspapers is the right answer. Of question 43. Which of the following is not the made of direct distribution system? Option A, trading mediator is the right answer. Vendor machines, franchise shops, and on sales depot, all these are the mode of direct distribution, but trading mediators are not the mode of direct distribution system. Question 44. Organizational modification become necessary on account of? Yes, option C is the right answer. The need for the improved performance and to need for the coping with the changes is the right answer is C. A and B is the correct. Question 45. Internal factor affecting marketing planning are? Option A, size of company. Option B, risk bearing of company. Option D is the right answer. A and B is the right answer. Question 46. Which of following is not the method by which firm decide how much to spend on advertising? So percentage of sale, task approach, all these all both of these are both of these are considered, but check and balances is a method which is not considered. So option C is the right answer. Question 47. Financial management is a? Yes, is a continuous process. It is not dynamic, it is not rigid. So right and appropriate answer is A, continuous process. Question 48. How to achieve the wealth maximization? Option A, avoid high level risk. Option B, reduction in cost. Option C, pay dividends. Right option is D, all of these. Question 49. If the earning of company are stable, then it can easily follow. Option B is the right answer, stable dividend policy. Question 50. The concept of cost of capital can also be explained in the term of opportunity cost is the right answer. Question 51. The total accounting value of capital regularly employed in business is called the overcapitalization is the right answer, B. Question 52. Patterns of capital structure is include? Yes, A, equity share. B. Equity plus preference share. C. Equity share plus debenture. Option D is the right answer. All of these are the pattern of capital structure. Question 53. Modi, Gilani and Miller approach of dividend policy of a firm is irrelevant. C is the right answer. Question 54. When a company has surplus reserve but does not have inadequate liquidity, then the company capitalizes its reserve as the bonus share. C is the right answer. Question 55. Irregular dividend policy is followed due to? Yes. Option D is the right answer. All of these. Yeah, irregular dividend policy is followed due to shortage of liquid resource, high fixed burden of interest and uncertainty of earnings. All of these is the right answer. Question 56. The concept of cost of capital is very important for which point of view? Yes, option C is the right answer. Capital structure decision and capital expenditure decision. Option A and B is the right answer. The concept of cost of capital is very important point of view capital structure as well capital expenditure decisions. Question 57. Financial management is not required to? Yes, option B is the right answer. Manage the efficiency of the employee. So financial management is not required for this. Next, question 58. Cost of capital does not mean? So appropriate option is D is the right answer. Money paid to SEBI for permission to acquire capital is not consider. Another meaning of cost of capital means cut-off rate decided by the management, interest rate and expectations of investor for dividend. Next question 59. Which is not included under the type of leverage? Yes, there are the three types of leverage: financial leverage, operating leverage and combined leverage. But administrative leverage is not the type of leverage. Option D, C is the right answer. Question 60. Which of following statements are correct? So right option is B. A high break-even point would indicate a high operating leverage is the right answer. Operating leverage of operating and financial leverage are not interdependent. This is the irrelevant answer. The most appropriate answer is option is B. B is the right answer. Question 61. Which of following is the method for accounting risk in a capital budgeting? Yes, all of these are the methods of capital budgeting: decision tree analysis, sensitivity technique and probability technique. Option D is the right answer. Question 62. When supplier extend credit to buyer, it is called? Option B is the right answer. Trade credit. Question 63. Working capital is also called? Yes, working capital has many names. So for example, working capital has revolving capital, another name is revolving capital and circulating capital. Option C is the right answer. Question 64. The term trading on equity is generally used for? Option A is the right answer. Favorable financial leverage. Question 65. Which of following is a function factors of operating leverage? Yes, amount of fixed cost is and contribution margin and volume of sale, all of these are considered. Option D is the right answer. All of these. Question 66. The main feature of business transaction is? Yes, all of these is the right answer. Question option D. It result in change in financial position of a firm. It involves an economic activity, and change must be capable being expressed in the term of money. Question 67. Which of following transaction result in increase of assets and increase in owner's equity? Option D is the right answer. Capital introduce, goods brought in business as capital, and furniture brought in business as business capital. All of these are correct. Question 68. Which of following method of inventory valuation should be used during perpetual in inventory system? So option B is the right answer. FIFO, first in first out, is the most appropriate method during the perpetual inventory system. Question 69. The main objective of providing depreciation is, yes, option D is the right answer. To provide the fund for replacement of fixed assets, to calculate true profit, to show true financial position. Question 70. A residuary book in which those transactions are recorded which not be recorded in any other subsidiary book is called, yeah, journal proper and journal ledgers. Actually, journal ledger is the right answer. Sorry, journal proper is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Question 71. After a new partnership agreement, capital and liability in a balance sheet are recorded at, yes, revalued figure. Option C is the right answer. The term current account of a partner, right option is A, may have, a current account may have debit and credit balance. Question 73. Which of following is not essential feature of partnership firm? Yes, mutual agency and association of two or more person and existence of business. These three are important feature, but compulsory registration is not uh, essential feature of partnership firm. Question 74. When a company take over another one, the clearly become a new owner, the action is called acquisition. Option B is the right answer. Question 75. What is the effect of increase in fixed cost? Yes, option A is the right answer. Raise break-even point. Yes, rise in the break-even point is the right answer. Question 76. A capital investment is one that has prospect of long-term benefits. Is the right, A is the right option. Question 77. Cash flow statement is useful for which of following financial planning? So cash flow is beneficial for option A, short term. Question 78. Which of following feature of micro environment of an organization? So right option is C, distribution channel factors. Question 79. A system of share value, assumptions, beliefs and norms uniting organization member as, option B is the right answer, organizational culture. Question 80. Which of following trading structure is not an example of business organization? So employee is not comes under this. Option A is the right answer. Question 81. An economy is at the takeoff stage on its path to development when it, option B is the right answer, when it begins steady growth. When it begins steady means slow growth. 82. A multinational corporation MNC is defined as, option A is the right answer, carrying out production in more than one country, then it's called MNC. Question 83. Among the factors that affect the business affect the balance of trade figures are option C is the right answer, the business cycle at home or abroad. Option C is the right answer. Question 84. Consumer Protection, Consumer Education and Research Center is located at Ahmedabad. Option D is the right answer. Question 85. Foreign exchange and foreign currency in India are governed by FEMA Act. Option B is the right answer. Question 86. Globalization is a term used to describe the process of removal of restriction on which of following: investment and foreign trade. Option C, A and B is the right answer. Question 87. Quantity demanded varies inversely with price in typically demand schedule. Option A is the right answer. Question 88. Which of following characteristics of pure monopoly? One seller of product. Option A is the right answer. Question 89. Price discrimination is possible when both markets have different elasticity of demand at the rolling price. Option B is the right answer. Question 90. Pricing decision includes price system, pricing policy, product line pricing. Option D is the right answer. Question 91. The fundamental component of business management does not include budgeting. Option D is the right answer. Question 92. Management is essential for the prosperity of the society. Option C is the right answer. Question 93. Essence of management is coordination. Option A is the right answer. Question 94. Discipline of management is based on scientific approach, adhere to a code of ethics. Option C is the right answer. Question 95. Harmony of objective is principle of a directing. Option A is the right answer. Question 96. Which of following is a intangible services? Entertainment, unsought and shopping products, shopping and specialty product. Is option D is the right answer. All of these. Question 97. The ruling marketing is not required because none of these. Option D is the right answer. Rural marketing is not required in rural. People do not understand marketing. Yes, it is not approach from the cost point of view, and it's sheer wastage of time. These are all are irrelevant to this question, so option D is the right answer. None of these. Question 98. Social marketing concept is based on. Option B is the right answer. Customer satisfaction with customer welfare. Question 99. The third stage in buyer decision process for a new product is interest. Option C is the right answer. And question 100. Method used by the marketer to study the attitudes of customer is observation, personal interview, close-ended questionnaire. Option D, all of these is the right answer. Thank you for watching part 1. I will take another part. Okay, thank you very much.